Usually sleepers pass through 4 stages: Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, and rapid eye movement, also called REM. These stages go cyclically from Stage 1 through REM, then begin again with Stage 1. A complete sleep cycle takes an average of 90 to 110 minutes, with each stage lasting between 5 to 15 minutes.
Stage 1, also known as the transitional phase, is the lightest stage of the sleep cycles. When you have entered this stage, your muscles relax and brainwave activity incrementally slows down. Many experience a falling sensation and muscle jolts as they are drifting off to sleep, a phenomenon known as hypnic myoclonia or hypnic jerk. This happens because your brain produces alpha and theta waves. You can recognize this sleep stage by slow eye movements, regular breathing, and easiness to be disturbed out of sleep. Stage 1 is also the shortest stage, as it can be reached in minutes or even seconds of going to sleep and only lasts up to 7 minutes.
Stage 2 is the first actual stage of the defined REM sleep. Almost 50% of the time spent asleep over the course of the night is spent in Stage 2. Body temperature begins to decrease and heart rate begins to slow. Awakenings or arousals do not occur as easily as in Stage 1 sleep, and the slow-moving eye rolls discontinue. Brain waves continue to slow with specific bursts of rapid activity known as sleep spindles, intermixed with sleep structures known as K-complexes. Both sleep spindles and K-complexes are thought to serve as protection for the brain from awakening from sleep.
Stage 3, also known as deep REM sleep, is the most restorative stage of sleep. During this stage, the body repairs its muscles and tissues, strengthens its immune system, and gains energy needed for the next day. Because of how deep this stage of sleep is, it's very hard to wake someone up during Stage 3. This is when your blood pressure and breathing rate will drop. There is also no eye movement or muscle activity occurring in this stage. However, this is when parasomnias such as sleepwalking and talking and night terrors occur. If you wake up after this stage, it's common to feel groggy and a bit disoriented. In fact, a study published by the National Center for Biotechnology Information shows that compared to when waking up after the other stages, your mental performance is a bit impaired for about half an hour after waking up from Stage 3 sleep.
The REM stage is the stage that the eyes move rapidly in various directions. This stage also causes some changes for brain and body, like rapidly movement of the eyes, fast and irregular breathing. The increase of blood pressure and also dreams happen in this stage. According to the National Sleep Foundation, REM sleep is believed to benefit learning, memory, and mood. A lack of REM sleep may have bad effects for physical and emotional health. It causes migration and overweight. That's bad, right? So, in order to improve REM sleep, here are some tips. Develop a same bed routine to help the body and mind get prepared for sleep. Choose a good place to sleep since loud voice, warm temperature, and broad legs can interrupt sleep. Lastly, get enough sleep is also very important. A healthy adult requires 7 to 9 hours of sleep.
In conclusion, Stage 1 is the lightest stage of the sleep cycle. Stage 2 of the sleep cycle usually follows Stage 1 sleep and represents deeper sleep. Stage 3 are progressively deeper stages during the sleep cycle. Stage 4, or REM sleep, also known as rapid eye movement, is most commonly known as the dreaming stage.